Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find the serial number for your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, you want to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and then tap on about phone. Next in here, you'll be able to find the serial number. You can write down or you can just copy and paste it. I don't think you can. So if you touch and hold on serial number, you can actually copy the text into the clipboard. Now this information can be important when you are trying to say which is for your device, or you need to repair your device under warranty. Normally Samsung support would ask for a serial number or an ME number or a model number, so you need to find this information and put into the support page. Or if you call up your network carrier, they may ask for a serial number. And this is where you can find out the serial number. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.